Deep within the jungle of Mexico, hidden beneath the vast canopy, is the lost world of an ancient civilization, the Maya. A sophisticated society that built centuries-old cities and mysterious temples. In this three-part series, we embark on a journey to discover what lies below these ancient ruins and expansive rainforest. Join us on this adventure to one of the longest underwater cave systems of the planet. A place virtually unchanged for thousands of years, unlike anything you have ever seen. Sinkholes, vertical drops in the ground filled with water, formed thousands of years ago by the collapse of Earth's top layer. We visit three of the most unique sinkholes in the Yucatan Peninsula and descend into the darkness to explore the mystical chambers hidden beneath them. After a vertical descent, we reach a thick cloud of a toxic gas known as hydrogen sulfide. The sun rays create a marvelous sight of heavenly proportions, an optical illusion found rarely elsewhere in the planet. Hydrogen sulfide is formed by the decomposition of organic material falling in from the jungle above. The mysterious landscape created by this gas, mixed with ancient trees and jungle debris, provides us a real sensation of levitating and flying above the clouds. The toxic nature of this gas limits all forms of life in these cenotes. However, we decided to take a look and examine what lies below this incredible phenomenon. Back to the safe environment of fresh water, we explore a cenote called ZAPOTE, known for having an extremely rare formations called cave bells. Tavo leads the way through these incredible speleothems, and there are thousands of them, unlike anything I have ever seen. These structures, unlike stalactites and stalagmites, are formed underwater by microorganisms that create tiny crystals that compound on top of each other. They grow very slow, around 1/3 of an inch every 10 years, and the largest specimens we find here are around 13 feet long, dating back to 4,000 years ago. And to top it all off, these formations have not been found anywhere else in the planet. through these magnificent wonders, I remember my childhood dream of wanting to go to the moon and outer space. And right at this moment I realize, why would I ever want to go there when my own Earth and its inner space is filled with breathtaking and enigmatic places just like these ones.